Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. I'm at Dollar Tree again. This is my second trip looking for Valentine's cute stuff. These are ornaments, hugs and kisses dog tags. These could go on a pink ornament tree or on a Valentine wreath. Love you, so cute. Here we've got these natural looking beaded hearts. These will look pretty on a wall or on a shelf or hanging on your door. Really pretty. We've got these rose clips that you could add to a basket and these adorable stickers for Valentine's Day that would be cute anywhere. More ornaments. Look at these cute little cupcakes and the gnomes. Oh my goodness, they have so many Valentine ornaments to choose from. So cute. These are 15 pack of the love with the hearts. So cute. Oh my goodness, so many to choose from. More stickers. Cute stickers. Those stickers have little glitter in them. Oh my goodness. And then we've got these felt hearts and these wooden sticks. Super cute. Those would look cute even with little hors d'oeuvres. Okay, I love those. More ornaments. These adorable gnomes. These would look cute on a shelf or in a basket. And these hearts that you can make something out of. These LED heart lights and this DIY. Oh, this would make a nice gift for somebody. Paint it and make something really nice for someone's Valentine's Day. Some table scatter. We've got the cupcakes. And oh, there's a tree topper. So cute. Oh my goodness, it comes in red and pink and it's in the shape of a heart. Oh, here is the tree. Look at this. It's a Valentine's Day tree. It's in pink. So cute. For only $1.25. It shows different ornaments on it. It shows those rose clips on it. So you could use those also if you wanted to as ornaments. I love that. Super pretty. And then what else do we have here? A cute little pom-pom little guy that you could make. And then look at all the ribbon they have to choose from. These are hearts and different shades of pink and red and some decorative mesh. More ribbon. So many styles. And it's big ribbon, small ribbon, adorable ribbon. Then they've got all these paints to choose from. So you could definitely make something. They're only $1.25 each. Such a deal. And this color, lavender, so pretty. Love that. These are really pretty colors. And then here, these more decorative things that you could use. These are, oh, love these. These are very soft, very velvety. Love that. And here we've got more things that you can, the LED lights and the large, let's see, these LED lights, yes, those are cute. Oh, look at these. This is in the $3 section. This would look really cute anywhere in your house. Really pretty. It looks like it's more than $3. I love that. It's wooden with a burlap bow. So cute. And then we've got these light up signs. And oh, these are those sitting things. The frog, the bear with the cute beaded legs. Oh my goodness. So cute. They have a lot to choose from. Look at this table runner. Here we've got this beautiful tray. It comes in 2 colors. It's a 2-tiered tray. So pretty in the heart shape. And look at that cute little heart at the top. Love those. And then you could get these baking cups. Love this. It's a metal tray that says "Be Mine." So pretty. This one too, I love this. St. Valentine Floral Shop. So pretty. These are $5. That's a really good deal. These are so beautiful. Then we have back to the $1.25. I see we've got these candy hearts for you Valentines and You're So Sweet. So I showed some in my first video and then came back and saw that they actually have some extra styles of these with different sayings. So when you go to Dollar Tree, make sure you always look behind, because sometimes they have even more, like this one, Home Sweet Home, in the shape of like a little home. So always make sure you're looking behind everything to see everything they've got. And if you see something you like, make sure you buy it, because sometimes I've been back and they're gone. So, and then I have to go try to find it at another Dollar Tree. These are so cute. Look at these. They are in the shapes of heart, Sweet Valentine. These would look so cute on a door, on a wall, as a wreath, really. You could put it in the middle of a wreath. You make my heart happy. Love those. And then behind that, let's see, these are all the same here. These say Be My Valentine, and then behind that one says Welcome, with a cute little red truck and the hearts inside the truck. So cute. For $1.25, you just can't beat these prices on these. They're really cute. Kissing Booth, love that. Oh my goodness, so cute. Love these. So, are there any more behind here? Let's see. And what else do we have? So many things they have to choose from here. Look at these gnomes with cute little pink hats on. This one says I love you, and then you got the 3 here. And this is a sloth, a pink little sloth holding a red glitter heart, and this dinosaur with the pink heart, super cute. And then we got the unicorn. Adorable, so adorable, really, really cute. And here we've got I will always love you, and then the one in front says hugs, kisses, hug, kiss, love that, hug, kiss, love. And then these little heart picks, these will look cute in plants or flowers or anywhere, really. And then we've got this glitter vase filler that you could fill a vase and maybe put some balloons inside that vase or some flowers. And this one says love. I love putting these on my coffee table or on a shelf or even in my kitchen. Love these. Super cute. Love struck. Love you always. Forever yours. Super cute. Very adorable. Have a sweet Valentines. These little trucks are cute. Cupid's Confectionery Sweet. Oh, I love those. These are so cute. Let's see here. What else do we have? These, let's see, because some of these things I showed in my first video, so I'm really looking for stuff that y'all have not seen. This one's super cute with those hearts filled with love. Love that. Y'all, they just have so many cute things. Here we've got this. This is super cute for $1.25. Look at these 3 really pretty, the tinsel hearts, and then more, all kinds of just so much that you can choose from here. These tea towels are super cute. Love, and have Will You Be My Valentine's Day, with it spelled WHEEL. Well, I hope y'all have had as much fun as I have shopping today. And if you have enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And I will keep shopping, and I'll see you again real soon.